Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix your face not unlocking your device. So if you're having an issue whereby you've registered your face on your device but it is not unlocking your device, I'm going to be showing you how to fix that error in this video. So firstly, head over to your settings application, and on your settings application, scroll up till you see lock screen. Then on lock screen, you come to screen lock and biometrics. Then you input your PIN or password and then click on face recognition. So here you might be seeing the option of face lock turned off. So you just have to turn it on and it's going to start opening with your face. But if it is not still opening, just make sure you are in a lit area and it's going to be responding. So that is how I can easily fix this issue, guys. If you find this video very helpful, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to this channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys.